Alright guys, welcome to Raptor Man, and as you guys can see here we have the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I went to Best Buy to get the $800 one, just the basic unit. They didn't have it, so we just decided to get the Fly More combo. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, looks like it comes with a really cool carrying case. It looks like everything is already contained within the case itself, which is really cool. Alright, so that's a really neat looking case. In here is the drone. So cool. Alright. Looks like we got some more packaging. Controller. Let's take a look at the controller here. I've never actually flown a drone before, so this is going to be very interesting to see how I adapt. Everything I've seen on the YouTube video side of this thing already seems kind of hard to crash with all the sensors. There is the remote. That's just some styrofoam. Looks like we got a couple of more accessories here. Let's see what else is inside the box. So this would be the batteries. Looks like 2 batteries. I think they said these things are getting about 30 minutes or so, in between like 25 and 30 minutes of flight time. So with 2 batteries, I'll probably get close to an hour, they said. Looks like there's the charging, and this is probably the charging brick of some kind to charge probably the batteries or something. Let's see what's in this. I think these are the rotors, or the propellers, whatever they use, whatever they call them. The blades. Yep, those are the blades. A huge instruction guide, some more blades, guides, reading material. Cool. So there it is, you guys. Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So should definitely improve my my ATV videos, especially when I go up north and just about anywhere I go. Take this thing and just shoot some awesome videos. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.